Hi everyone, I'm Guorange, your trusted partner from China. I'm backed by real factories and work full-time in international trade. Here, I only talk real stuff, no fluff. If you're representing your company and searching for sheet metal supplier, you absolutely need to pay attention to these three things: response speed and professionalism. A lot of times, because of language barriers and time zones, some factories take forever to reply. They leave your message on read for a day, take a week to respond to emails, and go back and forth for 10 days just to confirm one joint revision. But here's the thing. If a factory replies slowly before cooperation, it will only get worse once the project starts. A reliable supplier should review your drawings on the same day and provide initial feedback within working hours. That's not just efficiency. It shows commitment and professionalism. Second, price vary wildly. Never judge by total cost alone. You ask 3 suppliers for quotes and get numbers all over the place. You start wondering, is the high one ripping me off, or is the cheap one cutting corners? That's why you need to ask what's actually included. For example, material cost. What type of material? What thickness? Processing cost. How many steps? Does it include bending, punching, welding? Surface retreatment. Is powder coating, plating, or electrophoresis included? How thick? Tooling fees. One-time charge or amortized into unit price. Who owns the mold? Packaging and delivery. Inner packaging. Wooden crates, EXW or FOB or CIF. Tax. Is the tax included? That directly impacts your total cost. If you don't clarify this, you are not comparing apples to apples. Work with a supplier that fits your company stage, not just the biggest one. Here's why many large factories won't accept small orders. Most of suppliers see on platforms like Alibaba and Made in China are already medium to large scale manufacturers, and their profit model depends on high volume, fast turn production. A full stamping line, raw material batch, labor cost, just to produce 30 parts. The cost of opening machine, mold setup, and waste material can't be covered by such low volume. So, here's the takeaways. Don't just chase scale or big names. Choose a factory that fits your current stage. Ask yourself first, is your project already in mass production? If yes, working with a large factory with standardized system makes sense. But if you're still in early stage R&D, still doing small batch prototyping, or your drawings need engineering input from the supplier side, then you need to find a partner who can offer this loyal queue and willingness to do samples. Even for 20 or 30 pieces, they treat you seriously. Engineering support, not just saying yes or no, but real feedback. Is your design manufacturable with current tooling? Where are the risks? Flexible and fast communication. Early stage projects change fast. If they take 3 days to reply now, how will they handle urgent issue later? The right factory isn't the biggest one. It's the one who willing to grow with you, support you in the early stage needs, and build a long-term win-win relationship with real cooperation and mutual trust. In the next episode, I will show you how to help your supplier quote faster and more accurately. Drawings are just a start. I'm Guorange, real factory, real talk. Follow me and let's build something smart together.
Alone.